Welcome to Salika Mac. In today's tutorial, we will learn a cardigan on a viewer's request. So the fabric I needed here is very stretchy fabric, and the measurement are written on the screen as you just noted here. So this is total 28 inches width and 56 is the length, but length you can increase if you want the full length. So now I'm just taking here the 4 inches for the neckline finishing. So I will cut this fabric separately, and after that I will show you how we will use this. So now my fabric is on 4/4, and I'm just marking here the shoulder line 7.5, and after that on the open side of these fours I'm marking my armhole line, that is again 7.5. So after that I will mark the chest line, that is 10 here, and after chest line I'm just making it very straight way. If you want little fitted, you can make here waistline as well, but I'm just making it straight. So after that I will add the seam allowances, and before that just take here 1 inch down or 2.5 centimeter down and just make a slant line for the shoulder, and after that just make here a curve. All these measurement you can even just put a t-shirt of yours and you can mark accordingly. So now I'm just taking my neckline, that is 2.5 inches here the width, and same the depth, because this is only for the back side. The front neckline will be separate. I will show you how we can do that, so don't skip the video. Now I'm just marking the seam allowances and just cutting all on the seam allowances. And guys, if this video is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. So now I'm just separating in these two parts, and after that I will take one part as a front. I will fold it, and after that I will mark the neckline. So for neckline I'm taking here 10 inches deep, but again it totally up to you, it's your choice. But from this line I'm just marking here 10 inches line, and I will just cut this line, and after that I will show you how we will finish this line. So now also separate these two pieces so that we will get an opening in front, and after that also mark here on this turning point. So when you will stitch, you know, here you have to turn your fabric a little bit, and now it's time to start stitching. First take your back side and place your front on this back, and stitch the shoulder lines. So I'm using here the serger or overlock machine because my fabric is very stretchy, but you can use regular machine. And if it's not easy for you to stitch a stretchy material, you can place a piece of paper, so it will be easy for you. Now after stitching the shoulder line, we need to stitch the fitting lines, side lines. So after finishing the side lines, it's time to finish our neckline. I just take this double piece, that is total 4-inch width, and length is depend how much is our length from one side to the other side of our cardigan. So I will start from here, stitching start from here, and it will continue on the back side of neck, back neck also it will continue, and it will end on the other side of the front. Okay, so that's how you have to stitch all the way.